Just a quick video about the second generation CRV common problems. The fuel filler neck, which is what you use to fill up your fuel tank, constantly rots out. If you have fuel leaking from the back when you fill up all the way to the top, or even during fill-ups, it's very common. It's on the left hand side in the rear. If you remove the wheel, you will see the filler neck going up into your fuel tank opening. So there it is. We already reinstalled it, brand new. Goes right down here over the rear subframe and into the fuel tank. These are very common issues on these second generation CRVs. The job is about 2 hours or so. So once again, if you have a leaky fuel line in the back of the vehicle, it's most likely the cause and the culprit for your troubles. Pretty common. You could find these on Amazon for about 80 bucks, under $100. And once again, these are for the second generation CRVs. If you have a front wheel drive model, you won't have that rear subframe, so it will be a lot easier to do, less stuff to take off. Overall, these are really cool cars. So yeah, keep in mind, if you have a leaky fuel line in the back of the car, most likely it's your fuel filler neck.